Hello fam! Hello amazing squad! In this published video, we have this problem 22 to the power x minus 6 to the power x equals 448, and we want to get the value of x. The problem might look difficult, but it becomes easier if you break down the number 448 into two numbers such as 28 times 16. Next, we are going to break down 28 into the summation of 22 plus 6 and express 16 as 22 minus 6. And now we have the difference of two squares form, which can be written as 22 to the power 2 minus 6 to the power 2. By comparing both sides of the equation, it's clear that x equals 2, and this is our final answer for this problem. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts below.